Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of October. I am doing for the sign Virgo Earth sign. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Okay, one card. Two of Wands. Virgo, your recent past. Two of Cups. The Moon. And Six of Pentacles. Yeah. There is love between both of you. Under the deck, the Chariot. But one person putting, there is no equal give and take I am seeing, because the Moon is here. You person could be Pisces. Yeah, one person putting lot of effort, but another person not. There are some issues going between both of you. For some there is separation, for some there is no contact also. Even though there is love between both of you, you both love each other, there is no doubt about it. But there is no equal give and take, and one person also hides some secrets from other person. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Definitely one person is thinking about the other person a lot. So let's see what is going on your connection. Virgo, let's see what is going on your connection. Yeah, the Hermit. Seven of Wands. Three of Swords. Yeah, for some there is separation or no contact. Yeah, King of Swords. Under the deck, Five of Pentacles. Definitely there is separation for some. One person showing cold shouldering to other person. Yeah, one person is isolated themselves. Definitely for the Hermit, they are not talking to the other person. It could be you or your person. Definitely their spiritual awakening. Seven of Wands. But one person in this connection don't want to give up, but one person not talking. Definitely it could be your person. One person is heartbroken, and yes, they cut the communication of King of Swords. There is no communication, or one person want clarity from the other person in this connection. There is no contact between both of you. One person feeling acting and behaving like defensive mode. They are in defensive mode. They are not talking to the other person. They are defending themselves. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. It could be you or your person, Virgo. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Nine of Cups. I think it could be you also. You are not talking to your person due to heartbreak, whatever happened between both of you. Wheel of Fortune. Four of Cups. The last card, Emperor. Under the deck, Ten of Cups. Definitely your person want this connection. They are wishing for this connection. Definitely things are turning in your person favor. I am getting. And your person feeling very sad for the missed opportunity in past. I think the one person who cut the other person off is you, because you put a lot of effort, Virgo, in this connection, but your person not. That's why your heart is broken and you cut them off. You don't want to communicate with your person. Definitely you are undergo some hermit mode, but your person realize you both. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot, and they are wishing for this connection, and they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. And yeah, the Emperor, right now they are in this mode. They want to offer commitment and stability to this connection. Definitely they want this connection. Under the deck also, Ten of Cups. Definitely they want this happiness with you, Virgo. So let's see your connection, where it is headed from the universe. Let's pull some more cards. Okay, first card. Yeah, experience. Three of Wands. Your person is waiting, and maturity. Ace of Pentacles. And fighting. Definitely there are some fights, and yeah, beyond illusion means judgment. Yeah, Three of Wands. Definitely your person is waiting for the right moment to come towards you. There are some fighting, some arguments going between both of you, and beyond illusion means judgment. Definitely your person wants second chance with you, and they want to offer this maturity, Ace of Pentacles, to this connection. Yeah, they are feeling very sad for the missed opportunity in past, but this time they don't want to miss opportunity with you. That's why they are in this Emperor mode. They want to offer stability to this connection, Virgo. So it's up to you to give another chance to your person. Definitely they want reconciliation with you. So depending upon the situation, you have to make decision. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.